Yes, that's what my face looked like this morning. This is day 4 of my DJI Mini SE Drone test flight. Um, it was a beautiful day here, bright and sunny, and I wasn't thinking, but bright and sunny with respect to video recording and photography means exposure settings, which now I'm going to have to study up on those. So I did go up to a height of 101 meters, I think it was. And as you can see, the beautiful white lake in the background. It didn't pick up any of the lake, it overexposed the fields. The only time I got any decent footage in was when I turned the gimbal or the camera, the little thing that the camera's on, when I flipped it to point down to the ground, as you'll see in a minute, to kind of take a look at me way down in the yard. Then it was okay because the sun was no longer interfering. It's so overexposed you can't see that bird again that I think is now waiting for me when I take off with my flights. Anyways, oh, you can see a little bit of the lake there, but that's it. So at this point I turned the gimbal down to shoot straight down just so that you can see in comparison to yesterday. This is 150 feet higher. I'm sort of closer to the house. It's pretty small. It's really hard to see. So tomorrow's another day. I'm hoping to get some better shots and do some more practice at high altitudes again, and hopefully have a better video for you. Cheers!